tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. The sun will come out tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow,
Today, I make the most sincere promise one heart can make to another. I vow to be your constant love and support, your devoted partner in life, to allow myself to grow through your remarkable love for me. So I vow to be your home, to be your place of comfort and calm, to have faith when our journey is effortless and it is challenging, and we face adversity, we will never doze so alone. Because today, I promise you, my love, my best friend, my one person, that I will never give up, that I always believe in us, and that I will love you completely for all of my life.
Thank you dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. And asahan mong araw-araw kitang mamahalin and pagsisilbihan bilang asawa. Thank you kasi lagi mo akong inaalagaan tuwing may sakit ako. Thank you kasi lagi mo akong pinaghahandaan ng pagkain pag gabi na ako nakaka-uwi. And yun, mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Ang marriage ay nangangahulugan ng isang special na kontrata sa pagitan ng lalaki at babae, na yung kontratang yun ay kanilang naintindihan at kanilang sinangayunan. Sabi niya, marriage is an special contract between man and woman.
Ito na ating unang pahina, ang hakbang sa pagiging isa na panghabang buhay.
Huwag mangamba, ang pag-ibig ating punla, may kapal ang siyang mayakda sa ating paglalakbay.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik sa simula. Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw, ikaw ang sigaw. Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin.
At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan